Fraction shuffle is the dance. Math will never be the same. Numerator up high, denominator down low. Everybody's gonna try new fraction shuffle. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. You try to add fraction and I say, whoa. First they're all the same number down below. Just find the least common denominator. So all the fractions are ready to go. You get a brand new fractions and they find your answer. You gotta simplify if there's any common factors. If you don't matter if you're gonna try it old, we gonna show you how it go. 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, 1 whole. 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, 1 whole. Now kick, now kick, now kick, now kick, now walk it. Now walk a quarter turn, now walk a quarter turn.